Today we are washing our drip laterals using phosphoric acid. Last time we gave sulfuric acid, but one of our friend suggested go for phosphoric acid since it increases the roots also. So we thought to use phosphoric acid. We are using 2 kg per 200 liter of drum. So since phosphoric acid is very concentrated, we need to handle it carefully. So also the remaining phosphoric acid also should be stored carefully so that the kids or somebody should not touch it accidentally. So we are giving approximately 2 kg into 200 liter of drum. So sometime what happens while mixing into water, so a lot of spark kind of comes. So needs to be handled carefully. So why we need to leave phosphoric acid into drip line is many times drip lines get choked because of hard water scaling on the drip lines, lateral lines. So to wash that hardness from the laterals, so giving through drip helps. So our water TDS is around 700. So giving the phosphoric acid or sulfuric acid through drip line helps a lot to remove that scaling so that water flow can happen easily. If water TDS is more than 1200 or above, then you have to take out each of the drip lines and fully merge into phosphoric or sulfuric acid. Then only scaling will go away. But due to ours is moderate hard water, say it is 720 or something. So what we are doing is we are not removing any drip lines. We are just giving the phosphoric acid through drip line through Venturi system. So I'll show you the how Venturi system is also used in our system. So we have filled 200 liter of water, added around 2 kg of phosphoric acid. Now we will give it through drip. So we have simple Venturi kind of system. We have typical Venturi system, but we have stopped using it. Instead of that, what we are doing is we are using 0.5 HP machine water pump. So that we are putting input to that machine into the drum, and then while water going on, we will switch on this 0.5 HP machine. So it will pull it and along with the flowing water, this will get mixed and goes into drip lines. This is our drip injection system. Okay, that is 0.5 HP machine. Once pump starts pulling, we have given a bypass valve also to the pipeline. So if we want to send whatever the acid or fertilizer, anything slowly through valve, we can control it. If bypass valve is fully closed, so 100% of sucking from the drum goes into the drip line. If we slowly release the bypass valve, so the speed of going will reduce. This is to control how fast we want to give the any fertilizer or any liquid, anything from this drum. You may ask why we are giving only 2 kg of phosphoric acid per 200 liter of drum. So currently this drip is going for the 2 acre. Actually 1 acre needs 2 kg. 2 acre means we have to give 4 kg. But we observed our drip lines choking is not that much. Out of every 4 or 5 drip line, we are using inline drips. So one is choked. We have washed them already by hand while giving the water. So this is second watering. First water was done on October 30. So today we are giving second watering. So in second watering we are leaving the phosphoric acid. So the whatever the remaining one choked drip output is there, that should get cleaned. That is the idea. Okay. Here you can see our drip injection system setup, how it is done. So there is a 0.5 HP machine, and 0.5 HP machine, the pipe goes into the main water line, and before it goes into main water line, there is a bypass valve. So you can see the bypass valve. If we keep the bypass valve 100% on, so 99% of the liquid comes back. Only 1 or 2% goes into the drip line. So that is the system we have used. You can observe now we have fully switched off, so it is going very fast. So once the acid goes into drip lines, we have to leave 5 minutes. Then go to each lateral, remove the end cap and release the water. So each drip line takes around 5 to 10 minutes to clean the pipes. Why we have to release the water from the end cap is due to acid, lot of dust particles, choking, all comes out. So that has to go out. So we have to remove the end cap and release the water, so that drip lines doesn't stop the water, and water output from each line will be very clear. This is one task, takes 10 minutes per line. Then second task is we have to go to the subline end cap and release the water there also. So there is a main line in drip system and there are sublines. These are sublines. From sublines, laterals will go. So subline water should be released at least for 5 minutes, so that after the acid treatment, a lot of dirty water comes and sits towards this, towards the end of the laterals as well as towards the end of the sub main line. So release the water fully for 5 minutes, and then we have to close the cap back. So we have 5 sublines. There are 5 end points. Okay, today we are giving water for the 2 sublines. That is almost more than 2 acre of area it covers. Tomorrow we are giving water for the 3 sublines. That is another 2.5 acre of the area. So once we release most of the dirt will come out, and then we have to close it. This we have to do every this activity like acid treatment. We should do at least every once in 3 months. But some people recommend every month once, so we have to do it. But if that is maybe required if water TDS is more. Okay, thank you.